Welcome to A1 eCommerce. This video is going to show you how to add categories to your new website. What you need to do is scroll over Catalog at the top and then you click on Categories here. As an alternatively, you can also click the quick link there which says Categories on it. So once you click on the category link, it takes you to the list of the current categories you've got within inside your website. At this stage you can select which ones you want to do and delete them, or you can edit them individually by clicking the edit button. To insert a new one, you need to click on the insert button that's found next to the delete button. When you clicked on it, it'll take you to the page to set up your category, and then in this section here you've got category name, which you would put your category name into it. You've got meta tag description, which would be a bit of a description about the actual category and what products that are going to be in it. Then you got your meta tag keywords, and you put a list of keywords within there that are relevant to your product and the products that's going to be in that category and the category name. And then you got your description. In this section you would put the description of your category. There's no need, if you don't want to put a description, you don't have to do it, and it goes for the same for the meta tag description and the keywords. But the meta tag description and the keywords can help your search engine position, so it's recommended to put information into both of them. The next tab is a data tab. This here is like the parent category, and it's if you want it to be a subcategory or a main category. If you want it to be a main category, you would leave it as none. If you want it to be a subcategory, you would select the category to be for it to be a subcategory in. You can have men's jewelry in this one, men's jewelry and rings, so that'd be the third category along. And this here was now to do with stores. You just leave it as default if you're only running one store from your website. And your SEO keyword, this is what's basically going to be the page, the category page is going to be called within the address bar itself, and it should be use a relevant keyword to the category that you're actually having added to your shop. So if we were going to be having the category called men's watches, we could have in here men's watches. You can notice I've not put any spaces in there. All I've done is put, you got to use the middle line instead of a space, because it's going to be the actual URL page. It works better when you put the line instead of a space. So just remember that when you're adding it. You can also you could go with something different like cheap men's watches, or something you want to be used that will help your search results when people are searching for products that you sell. In this section here you've got image. You can add an image to your category, or you don't need to, you can leave that blank if you wish to. And then this one here is it says top, and this is to display your category along the top of the actual website, below your logo and that in the top menu bar. Or you can, if that's not selected, then it won't show. It'll only show on, like say, the side box if you've got that turned on for your categories. Your columns, this is for your top drop down box, where you've got, if you have it as one and then you scroll over the category and then it drops down the list of subcategories, if you've got one column they'll all be just below each other. If you set it to 2, 3, you'd have columns of 2 and 3. We're going to discuss this in another video, so if you want to use columns within your drop down menu, then you watch our other video and you'll be able to find out how to use that. You sort orders which order you want it to be displayed in. If you wanted it to be one of the first categories, you could go with 0, the second category could be 1, or alternatively you could do 1, 2, 3, 4. Higher the number, the further down it would be displayed. The status you'd leave to enabled, and then you go up to the design tab, and this one here you should just leave as it is, unless you know what you're doing and you want to change the actual layout of the category page. Once you've added all this information, you would click save, and then that would be your category added to your website. Thanks for watching the video, and please check out our other videos.